In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tool side panels in Adobe Acrobat. If you find yourself clicking around to locate the same features over and over, customizing the tool side panel will save you time. The side panel is the vertical toolbar that appears along the edge of your document window. We'll add the tools you use most, so they're always one click away. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. From the home screen, go to Recent so you can quickly pick a file you've worked on before. Double-click any recent PDF to open it. Customizing the tool panel works best when a document is open, because Acrobat shows the full interface and lets you preview where tools will appear. Once the file is open, move your mouse to the side of the document where the tool panel sits. If the panel is collapsed, hovering near the edge will reveal it and you can expand it. At the top of that panel, look for the three dots icon, sometimes labeled More Options. Click those three dots, then choose Customize Toolbar. This opens the customization window where you'll see a list of available tools and a list of tools currently shown in your side panel. The goal is to move the tools you want from the available list into the side panel list so they're visible while you work. Browse the available tools and choose what you want to add. For example, if you frequently change text or images in your PDFs, select Edit a PDF. With the tool highlighted, add it to your side panel by clicking the arrow pointing to the left. That arrow moves the selected tool into the panel lineup. You'll see it appear in the list that represents your side panel. As you add tools, Acrobat reflects your choices so you can confirm what will be readily accessible. This keeps your workspace focused on what you use most. If a tool is already in the panel, you don't need to add it again. When you're happy with your selections, click Save. Acrobat returns you to your document and your newly added tool now appears in the side panel, ready to launch with a single click. You can repeat this process anytime to add more tools as your workflow evolves. That's it. By opening a document using the three-dot menu to access Customize Toolbar, selecting the tools you want, moving them over with the left-pointing arrow, and saving, you build a side panel that works the way you do. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a faster, cleaner Acrobat workspace.